Greetings. This is the section of our channel where we will pick a good book, we will review it, and we will tell you in under 10 minutes why reading that book is important. Now I understand that there are thousands and thousands of books and they have thousands and thousands of lessons. Let's start with why reading books is important. It is important because it is the oldest and most preserved form of knowledge. It is better than scrolling reels, better than scrolling YouTube. It is also better than reading a book online. The first book that I have picked for this series is my favorite book, the book I've read last year, and I couldn't stop reading it endless times. That's why now that book has become a part of my life. That book is the Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This book is not written by Mr. Naval Ravikant, but is written on him. Now, how does a middle class family guy who has a single mom does so much in 43 years of his life that a book is getting written on it? Amazing, isn't it? Let's find out why. Book का first part focus करता है wealth generation पे. Mind my words, not income, not money, but wealth generation. और book का second part focus करता है happiness पे. मेजॉरिटी हर इंसान के ये दो ही मेजर क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिन पे वो काम करता है, हाउ टू गेट रिच एंड हाउ टू बी मोर हैप्पी. बुक की एक बहुत फेवरेट लाइन है जो वर्ड टू वर्ड इट गोज लाइक, यू डोंट नीड दैट मच मनी but you will think that you need it. After having achieved that status of wealth and money, you will realize that you don't need it. एक लिमिट से ज्यादा पैसा कमाने के बाद आपको समझेगा कि money is not what you need. You don't need money. You need happiness. But because a human tendency is that you are never going to stop pursuing money till you have enough of it. उसके पहले आप खुश नहीं हो सकते. हर एक इंसान, it doesn't matter if he is rich or poor or middle class or ultra rich, they will want to have their financial status sorted out first. उसके बाद वो खुश होने की कोशिश करेगा. So let's make money first. To make money, Naval Ravikant shares a very simple formula. Pick one thing and do it so many times that you become the best in the world doing it. एक ही चीज को सीखो और उस चीज को इतना सीखो कि वो तुमसे अच्छा कोई नहीं कर सकता. It doesn't matter if it is singing, doesn't matter if it is making a drawing, doesn't matter if it is public speaking, doesn't matter if it is construction, doesn't matter if it is IT, finance, it doesn't matter. In today's world, creating a career for yourself is not the hard question. The hard question is, are you able to do it? People who don't have a college degree are running successful businesses. People who don't have even formal education are making millions of rupees just by dancing on a video. सवाल ये है कि वो लोग ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं जो हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. One question that I used to ask myself when Devendra Fadnavis became the chief minister of Maharashtra is कि जब देवेंद्र फडणवीस 27 years के थे वो क्या कर रहे थे और मैं ऐसा क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ जो देवेंद्र फडणवीस तब कर रहे थे. How do I start acting like my hero so that then I can at least, if not become a hero, at least become like them. Coming back to the book, Naval Ravikant shares कि एक ही चीज जो तुमको काम जैसी नहीं लगती है उसको इतने बार करना कि it doesn't look like work to you. अगर आपको किसी को सिखा के थकान महसूस नहीं हो रही है, you should devote all your life to teaching, क्योंकि फिर आप पूरी जिंदगी में कभी थकने नहीं वाले हो. You will never stop working and you will also never work. This circle of life is very important, where you are going to the office every day, you are going to your workstation, but actually you're never working. You can only do this if you are really doing the thing that makes you not miserable. Now, if you look at somebody, like if I play cricket, I can play it for 1 hour, 1 घंटा खेल लूंगा, उसके बाद मैं क्या करूंगा, उसके बाद मैं बोर हो जाऊंगा. लेकिन इससे मुझे पता चलेगा कि क्रिकेट मेरे लिए एक हॉबी है जिसको मैं 1 घंटा खुद को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए खेल सकता हूँ, but this is not a full-time career option for me. Naval Ravikant says that everybody in this world has a passion which they keep on doing so many times but never get tired of. Let's say for me it is public speaking. मुझे public speaking पे इतना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए कि मैं कभी भी उससे थक नहीं सकता. पर अगर मैं थक रहा हूँ तो फिर मैं उसको पैशन नहीं बोल सकता हूँ because I'm not playing it. So finding that thing is important. अब उस चीज को ढूंढने के लिए what do? You spend time doing things. अगर मैं 3 घंटे क्रिकेट के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ, that will not tell me if I'm a good cricketer or not. जब तक मैं हाथ में बैट लेकर नहीं निकलूंगा या जब तक मैं 2 ओवर बॉलिंग करने की कोशिश नहीं करूंगा, I will not understand if I like that or not. That's what Naval's message is, that you do things when you are young, so many things because you have more time. You do so many things that you figure out, okay, out of the 1000 things that I've done, this is the thing that is my passion. Then you read how do you make money using that. If you think that managing a financial situation is your best option, then you manage people's finances. That's how you get paid. Once you have identified what your passion is, then you have to spend time improving yourself doing the same thing. If you wake up every day for the entire year of 2025 and you do the same thing, you're not gonna get better at it. But if you do a thing, understand what was good and bad, eliminate the bad parts of that thing, and keep on adding to the good, this is called reiteration. Now Ravikant says, you reiterate a process so many times that that becomes smooth. Once you have found a smooth process, then you multiply it. Find a thing that you want to do it so many times that you become the best in the world doing that. Make so many iterations and changes till that thing becomes smooth. Once that smoothness is there, then start multiplying it. I was good at digital construction, so I simply learned digital construction. I became the best, if not in the world, I became the best in the office that I was working. I transferred that knowledge to my team. I hired people who could do digital construction for me, and after 2.5 years, now I have a team of 25 people who do the digital construction. Now, that part of knowledge does not occupy my brain's space. If your brain has a limited space, there is only limited knowledge that you can put into it. So, your brain, if my brain is consumed with digital construction knowledge at all points of time, that means I cannot learn something new with my whole heart. So, transferring that knowledge into creating a team, creating value for them, and then keeping your brain free so that you can learn something new, that is the game. For example, for 2.5 years, day in and day out, I've taught digital construction to more than 30 people. Since 2019, I've taught it to more than 40 people. Now, finally, in 2025, I have the leverage to not do digital construction, but to go into digital social media. Naval Ravikant also says that the two biggest sources of income these days in the modern world with internet are code and media. You have to identify if you are good in code, become so good in code that people pay you for it. If you are good in creating media, create so good media that people pay you for it. If you do not create value that people need right now, you will not get paid. The simple logic is that you find out what people need, you find out a skill to develop it, you find out a way to teach it to other people, and so you create value for other people. Everybody in this world at some point of time needed a mobile phone, but only a couple people thought how to make a mobile phone, and the difference between the people who thought that they needed a mobile phone and the people who actually made a mobile phone and made a billion copies of it, it's huge. The people who are into the game of creating a code, creating media, and amplifying it, they are the world leaders, like it or not. You might say that a certain media is not good for you, but if you go on the like button of that media, that alone has millions of people that like it. So you create a piece of media, show it to people, maybe 1,000 people will not like it, maybe 1,000 people will not like it, but you are looking to create something for 8 billion people at once using the same language. So जब तक आप एक स्किल को इतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर लेते हो कि आप उसको मैग्नीफाई करके लोगों को सिखा सको, तब तक के दूसरी स्किल पे जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं. इट इज़ द सेम विद बुक्स. दैट्स व्हाट नवल सेज. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप एक साल में 50 बुक या 100 बुक्स को पढ़ोगे, बिकॉज 50 बुक्स आप लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. आप 50 बुक्स लो पॉलिटिकल लेफ्ट विंग की और आप 50 बुक्स लो पॉलिटिकल राइट विंग की. इन दोनों के आइडियोलॉजीज एक दूसरे को इतना क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर यू विल हैव 100 बुक्स बट यू विल हैव zero knowledge. You don't want to be in that situation. You want to be in a situation where you pick a book like Atomic Habits, you pick a book like Almanac of Naval Ravikant. जब तक वो बुक के अच्छी बातें आपकी लाइफ का पार्ट नहीं बन जाती है, don't stop reiterating yourself, don't stop reinventing yourself, Do not stop reading that book. Keep applying that book's logic to your life. You will automatically see better results. This part of the video was majorly focused on what things Naval says in simpler languages that are good for you to make a better business or create value. By the time you figure out this question, we will be out with the other part of the video where we will explain how to create happiness. Please understand, खुश रहना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, बट आप और हम दोनों जानते हैं कि जब तक हम पैसे वाले नहीं बन जाते, हम खुशी को चूज़ नहीं करने वाले। इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद फिगर आउट की वेल्थ कैसे जनरेट करनी है। वेल्थ जनरेट जब हो जाएगी, उसके बाद हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे कि खुश कैसे रहना है। थैंक यू।